Here I have installed my Eclipse IDE for the Android development. What I did, friend, I just installed the Android SDK for the Windows version over here, and the Eclipse over here, and according to the instruction I found on the internet, I installed the plugins here from the plugin section. Okay, and after all these updates, taking updates and configuring the IDE, here I wrote my first program which I just found on the internet. What it is the first program to understand the working of Android development environment, what it does, how it is different from the other development environments. See, what we have to do here is it will install the Hello Android package onto the mobile IDE. Here it is already installed. I think first we have to uninstall it to show you the correct working of the program. It just writes one line over here. The key idea of showing you this video is to understand the environment, the overall architecture of the Android, that how it is different than the other ones. What it does, in mobiles there are limited resources available like memory and processing power, but in computers we have enough memory to store all the variables information onto the object itself. What it does here, whatever program we write, like in Java, the public static void main is the common thing over there. Here r.java file is the common one, where it is automatically generated, and all the codes written here are just generated by itself, auto generated. Secondly, the very important thing over here is the different XML file which comes in the resource section. You can see here, this is the file which stores all the static variables, static values used in the program. Here just I altered this text to kya haal hai bhai, and the second one Hello Android from Sagar, which is the application name over here. You can find it. Let me see whether it has been installed or not. I think reinstallation is failed because the very same application signature is already present. It means I have to uninstall the previous instance first. So I will copy down the qualified name, and here is some tools. Here are some tools for the emulator, that how to uninstall the things, and for that there is ADB available here. Let me try it once, how to uninstall the things. ADB, I suppose, yeah, minus help. Let me check it out. Start root. No, I don't think so. It is not the correct one. I think Android, not Android. Let me see how to uninstall it. Yeah, I found it, and it says that ADB uninstall switch is going, your parameter is going to uninstall the things. So this command here over here will uninstall this application from here. See whether it works or not. Hello, yeah, see, it's successfully worked over here. Good. Now again I'll try to install it, run it for the checking purpose. See, first it will install over here, and all the information, static information over here will come out over here. Hello Android Sagar here, and kya haal hai bhai, just the alter text from here. So what it does, some part of the object which should be included into the program, into the object itself, it kept out onto another file, string.xml, to balance the load and the memory. It is the beauty of Android I found yet. So it is very good. This program was very pretty. I got a lot of information from this. And here is the second program which I found very interesting, and it is the Snake game. Comes with the API demo package of the Android environment or Eclipse. I am not sure about that from where it came. I think from the Eclipse ID, I suppose. So what it does over here, installing the game, successful. Where is the Snake game? Yeah, Snake game arrived. So press up to play. Here is a game. So game is good, working perfectly. So what the important thing over here is that the programming style, like every component is kept differently, like this is the normal way to keep the files. But the interesting thing over here is the resource file, where every information, every attribute you can see is kept in a different manner. Like see, title view, which is in the form of integer, name is title size, all the informations you see over here, this mode ready, pause, all the information which we see in the program while it is working, like press up to play, press up to resume, game over, press up to play, and like those information. These all informations are kept in an XML file instead of the object. And how it is being called over here, you can see, like in the program there is a different writing style. Like let me show you. It is very interesting that this environment is very good in terms of memory management and the resource management. So here is some interesting syntaxes from which it is calling all the informations kept in the XML file. Let me show you some of those. I think in Snake program there would be something which you can see. See in r.java what is written here, like stuffs like this is auto generated, so you will not be finding enough things over here. So let me show you the different values where it is kept. Yeah, see, r.string.mode suffix, instead of writing all the information kept in string.xml, this information, game over, /n score, this information is kept here in this format. That from r, that is the main program generated or auto generated, and from string you keep the information mode lost prefix, which is written here, mode lost prefix, game over. This information is kept somewhere else and it is being called over here. It means the information, the text is kept in string.xml and it is being called over here. So this is some new idea which I got to know